my name is Helen Hope Kimbrough, and I'm excited to read this book entitled, What Do I See? Written by Andrea Young Jones, illustrated by Marcia Noisette. Again, the title is, What Do I See? Waking in the morning, what do I see? The rising sun, a new day. Hey sun, thanks for waking me. Walking in my neighborhood, what do I see? A little ducky flies above me. Hey little ducky, glad to see you again. Playing in the backyard, what do I see? A baby deer with its family watches me. Hey dear, do you want to play? Sitting on my front porch, what do I see? Birds in a nest next to my door. Hey birds, will you sing to me? Going to sleep, what do I see? The moon in the sky winks at me. Good night, moon. Closing my eyes, what do I see? My sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, What Do I See? Have a great day.